Ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to let you know that I'm working on a technology that's going to help all of us. That's why I'm doing the Quench Spark Gap. Now this right here is a neon sign transformer. These are just little things, that I work on cars with. And now we've made a spark gap out of all of them. Now we're going to unplug it, and then the next episode we're going to try to hook some kind of through this primary right there. It's wrapped around, and the secondary is down in there inside the jar. So we're going to hook that up, and we're going to try to utilize this to verify that the energy is being sent. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.